Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Hamid Bilal. My MIT ID is MIT 1922622. Today I'm going to explain about the two penetration tool of Kali Linux, which is metasploit and the Wireshark. So here is my feedback snap of the one assignment 1A. Yeah, so I have covered the introduction and the security scanners and the selected security scanners and the Wireshark software and the Metasploit software, demonstration of the system and the system weaknesses, exploration of the weaknesses and the security system for those who for the weaknesses. Security system weaknesses, conclusion and the references. So the introduction, this presentation helps in moving forward with the assignment, as I have discussed in this with the software tools of the security scanner provided. So the target is on the system, which is discussed the issues and the associated with them. So the various strategies which can be implemented to resolve identified issue, and it is also discussed in the presentations. So as addressing for the feedback of part A, so in this I have justified the reasons that should be provided and the methods are implemented for the two tools, which and it is also discussed and reviewed for the security reasons for the security testing. The security scanners, so the scanners are used for scanning different components in this for the network and the device of network. So in this the issue is related and the device is vulnerability of the network is discussed. So main focus of the security scanner is on identifying the potential use of the issues and the holes in the network. Arrangement and the classification of systems are identified and vulnerabilities is also discussed. So the two selected, the Metasploit and the Wireshark. So the so specific on the Metasploit is nothing but the more it is most utilized security testing automation firework that is all around the world. It is beneficial for the testing of pinpointing and the security flow of setting up by the defenses. The Wireshark is nothing but it is an open source, the platform that capture the tools, monitor and scans the vulnerabilities that presents the network. So it contains the all kind of data packets in the network. So these are the screenshots of the software test platform of Wireshark and the Metasploit. So the demonstration of system. So Daniel of service DOS attack, which is also known as. So it's nothing in this network. It's used to float the target side with the phony server request and leaving with no bandwidth to the logisticate traffic. Yeah, that's all. So the system weakness are so miscellaneous and the code miscellaneous code and viruses are be formed, unauthorized access by the third party is seen, risk of data security and the social attacks are there. So it need to be updated the software and the insufficient cyber security there is. Exploitation of the weaknesses are nothing but the cyber criminals that can access the system in the software of securities and the network that not contain any antivirus and it which is not updated or contain the outdated version. There is a lack of experience and awareness in the users. So the network so that those are the also one of the main reasons of exploitation of the vulnerabilities of the systems. And the method which is used to exploit the systems are the links and the miscellaneous software and the viruses are seen from the suspicious websites. The system for those weakness are the method of increasing systems, replacing the current one and the configuration the antivirus firewalls and encouraged by users of training the increase the awareness in the users. So this can be so these measures can be taken. So conclusion is nothing but the security vulnerabilities in the users and the network that are discussed should be discussed more method of exploring system at the work discussed should be increased in the security to be developed to network to be developed to form the great security in the cyber security of the fireworks. So these are the references. Now I will be sharing the demonstration part, sharing my Kali Linux. Yeah, as it is already sign in. Yeah, here I will be showing with metasploit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. As it says, the starting database, and it is also already done. So it is doing at the back side. It will take some time. Yeah, it's all ready. So here I will be putting the search port scan. Yeah, yeah. So by this you can see that the auxiliaries and the auxiliaries and the port is seen. So if I set the auxiliaries, so yeah, now I'm setting the auxiliaries. So hereafter I just set up the roast. My IP address is setting the IP address as well. Yeah, set the rows. So my IP address is already I have taken from that one. So 192.169.201. Yeah. Now I just put the run. Yeah. So as you can see, the execution is completed. So the auxiliaries. So this is all with the metasploit. Now I will be doing with the white shark, wire shark. Yeah. So just putting the password. Yeah. It's working. It will take some time. As you can see, it's working at the backside. Yeah, in this, for example, if I click the Ethernet two times, yeah, it comes up with all which it is, which all it is going in the background, the time, the sources, and the destination, and the protocols and the lengths of that. And if you want the specific in any of one, so you can just pause this, and you can click just any one of the double time, and you can see here as the multicast domain name and the system of all this. So this was all about the two testing tool of Metasploit and the white shell of Kali Linux. Thank you very much.